Okay, we are taking an early evening walk. Sun just went down. It's coming up on 6 p.m. and we're gonna walk out here and see what's going on and see if they put up any Christmas decorations in town yet. So yeah, I see lanterns up there, so we'll take a little walk out here. It's a nice night, cool breeze. We'll take a little walk out here and just kind of check out the activities here at nighttime, early evening. It's still pretty busy. Oh, there's a cat trying to cross the road. I don't know if you can see him or not. Standing right out in the middle of the road. Watch out, kitty. Anyways, I don't want to see him get hit by a car. Yep, there's CSI over there. Looks like they're wrapping up for the day, getting ready to close her down. It's a kitty cat. So, yeah, we're on the west end of town. And we'll head up towards the church and town hall, city hall, whatever, and just kind of check out what's going on. Of course, I got a great view of her.
Your mask on.
Oops, yeah, my mask on. A great view of my wife's back, always. So I'll probably go over here and get a different angle. So where are we at? Western Union. And still CSI. Have to watch where I'm walking to make sure I don't fall in a hole. That would not be good. Okay. Not entirely sure, but I think there's a couple people that watch my videos that are residents of Alaminos City or former residents and just kind of like to watch these and kind of see what's happening. This is a new place called Microburger, little hamburger joint, whatever. I have no comments to make about it because I've never ate there, but it is new. Let me see. Yeah, as I was saying, I know there's at least one or two people that watch these videos and kind of like to see what's happening, what's going on. And I appreciate you watching the videos that I make and post. There's nothing difficult about it, but I appreciate it nonetheless. So yeah, that looks pretty nice. Okay, so this is standing over by that water building across the road, across the street, I mean, from that blue water building. And looks like they have put up they've decorated the light posts. I'm sure they do this every year, but oh well.
100 years ahead.
I can hardly hear what she's saying. It's so loud out here. Anyways, there's tricycle drivers over there hanging out. And here we are at the main major intersection, kind of a T/Y intersection, I guess you could say. And you just head on down there, and you're going to be headed towards Lukap Wharf, where the 100 Islands stuff is going on. So anyways, so yeah, it's pretty active out here tonight. Like I said, it's still early. We usually come out here a little bit later. It's a little quieter. So got like see all those lanterns up there. It's really kind of cool. Kind of the Asian style lanterns hanging up in the trees. Yep. Okay, where'd she go? Alright, there they are.
Where are we going now?
Okay, we're just straight across. So we'll just go. Yeah, another cool thing. The food vendors are out tonight. They all kind of hang out down that way. Yeah. There's some more over here, up and down this way. The tree has still not lit up yet. It's still not lit up yet. So hopefully that will change soon. And yeah, just kind of walk through here. Yeah, this. When do you think this should light up? Here, pretty soon. Yeah, nice little park area here. They have food stalls that are, I know, open during the daytime. Jam's jumping up on the table. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the food stalls are open during the daytime. You can come out here and sit and eat, relax. Before COVID, my wife and I would come over here when I was here actually last year, and we would sit out here and eat while out running around doing our shopping and whatnot. So anyways, yep, pretty cool stuff. Very nice. More lanterns. There's also some up in the tree there that are not lit up. So, yep, active night. There goes the church bell. Go around the block.
Go to the front. See what food they have.
Take a right.
Right?
Yeah, and then we'll kind of do a loop-de-loop. We'll go around the block. Or we could go down by Nepo and then cross back through the back streets and then come up through there. Want to try that?
See how we the market is going.
Yeah. Let's do Peeping Tom on the bakery, okay? Let's do a Peeping Tom on the bakery. Let's see what we got here. So we're at the Red Ribbon. I don't dare go inside because I'll probably buy something and I'll buy more than I should. That's usually what happens when I go inside this place. Anyways, I won't bore you with this. I continue on. But yeah, Red Ribbon. Good stuff. Save More, Fiesta Mall. We were in there earlier today, picking up a few things. Let's go back through here. Yeah, we gotta cross over. Cross over. Yeah, I'm holding this camera, so we're gonna get everything on film. People see the camera and they're like, oh boy, better slow down. Let these guys cross. So a McDonald's that I still have never went into. I don't care for McDonald's. Even in the States, I just don't do McDonald's. But I guess it's not bad from what I've been told. Sure. We're getting ready to close, so I might as well grab some bananas real quick. You got it? Or you did? You got it, hon? Okay, so anyways, what we're doing is we're walking down the street that straddles the west side of the Nipo Mall, and things are slowly but surely closing up back here. It's getting dark pretty quick, so circle around. So we'll go back here and we'll circle around to that other street where the vendors are. I know, I just saw another little, is that a food stall? Yeah, there's all these food stalls I'd like to try sometime, but there's just so many of them. Don't even know where to begin. Okay. Still making our way through the back streets here. I know, because it's so dark back here. I want to get up towards the light. The bread? Okay. Yeah, this is a nice little bakery also. Pretty sweet. It is cool. Secondhand stores right along this road here where we're at, this back road. And actually the shorts I'm wearing right now came from this store. Another food stall up in there. What's that one called? Anyways, can't remember them all. Hannah's store, yeah, that secondhand store with the number 11 up there. That's where I bought 3 or 4 pairs of shorts there. Pretty good deals. So would this be the road we're looking for?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I know exactly. At the 7-Eleven right over there. Got the pet ranch right over here. It's where the veterinarian is. Grooming, boarding for pets.
Next time we can.
That's where we bring our dog. Another food stall. Eden just said this is where we'll go next time. Ah, okay. Sounds like a plan to me. So yeah, what's it called? Chloe's Pigar?
Yes.
All right.
Pigar is one of the most famous specialty here in Pangasinan.
Got it. All right, we'll definitely visit this place for sure. I'm open. Absolutely. All these little shops. I don't even know what half of them are. Ramen shop. Looks like a little honey, is that a bar? If it is, it's a very small one. They're all sitting around drinking, that must be. Yeah, it could be. Post office. Look at that. In one of these ancient buildings. Yeah. I know it's really dark back here, it's hard to see. I'm trying to do this video in watch where I'm going at the same time. It's a little bit tricky. And we're coming up on the food vendors. Yeah. Yep. We already said one of these nights we're gonna skip dinner and we're just gonna come out here and do dinner out on the streets.
Hello. You want balot, sir?
And the truck drivers. Picking up some food for the dog. Hindi. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Tell this kid to go away. She's picking in my pockets.
No.
Yeah, Jam. Tell this kid to go away, please.
Magagalit siya.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up here. Are those peanuts over there? Are those peanuts?
It's a problem.
Alright. I do like those peanuts that they sell. Anyways, I kind of had to shut the camera off back there. Had a little girl tugging on my my pant legs because she wanted I'm gonna cross the road here first. So anyways, I'm gonna get the hell across this road. Thanks. Yeah.
Because I have something, I have the feeling, but the one is standing behind is his father.
Well, I was looking around. Anyways, let's start from the beginning. I had to shut the camera off because there's this little girl, little tiny girl, probably 4 years old, tugging at my pant legs. Kuya, basically begging for money or food or whatever she could get from us. And normally I brush those people, I brush the kids off. Get out of here, get away, go. Well, it just so happens this time I kind of looked down, which I never do. I never make eye contact, but I kind of did this time. I went against my own rules, and just a cute little thing. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So I softened up a little bit and said, okay, what do you... First of all, I told her, don't bug me, because I'm not the one carrying the money. Mom is. So look at her. Talk to her. But of course, I'm the foreigner, so she's going to be targeting me.
But before that, I gave her already.
Yeah, before that, little did I know that Eden had already gave her some peso, 10 pesos or whatever. So I asked the little girl what she wanted. I pointed towards some food, and the little girl was like, no. I was pointing at these like pork sticks, meat sticks, whatever. And she's like, no. And I was like, well, and we asked her, what do you want? She said, I want balut. I was like, what? You kidding me? This little tiny girl wants to eat balut. So I was like, well, fine. You want balut? Well, honey, how much is balut?
15 pesos.
So 15 pesos for one balut. I was like, shit, get her 2. Who cares? You know, make her happy. Buy her 2 balloons. That's 30 pesos. That's, in American dollars, that's less than $1. So I was like, all right. So yeah, lo and behold, she ran off with her 2 balloons and 10 pesos, I think, that we gave her. And then we kind of watch where she goes, and she meets up with an older adult male. I can only imagine it was her dad, and they were kind of working together. But that's the way it always goes when you see a little kid begging for food or money. They're always with an adult. They're just the adult is over somewhere in the shadows, over in the darkness, hiding, because you know. Little kids, cute little kids, you know, dirty faces and all scruffy looking. They're the ones that are gonna win the hearts and get the food and get the money.
She suddenly popped out when we were walking.
she was a cute little thing. Dirty face, you know, look like I don't know. Shit, they probably have more money than we do.
Because every day was out. And she should be outside.
Yeah. Anyways, yeah, no kidding. She's too young to be out. The kids aren't supposed to be out on the streets at all. They're supposed to be at home due to this whole COVID thing. So yeah, and kids under the age of what, 18?
Yeah.
Are supposed to be home, and I think seniors over 60, 60?
65.
65, okay. So anyways, yeah. That was kind of the highlight of our evening. That and buying bananas and taking pictures up at the park, which we'll probably share in this video as well. So at any rate, we're just kind of walking down the dark back road to our house. So we'll be home in a couple minutes, and we'll probably, with that being said, we'll probably just go ahead and shut this one down for the night. Finish up this walk, get inside the house, take some showers, get into some comfy clothes, and probably retire for the evening. So anyways, we're about to hear a bunch of dogs barking coming up here, so we're gonna sign off. So thanks for coming along. We'll definitely do this again soon. But, you know, I was thinking maybe in a few weeks we'll go back out and do this at nighttime and see if there's any more Christmas decorations in town. Yeah, maybe we'll go out to Lucap and check that out too. So anyways, take care guys. Thanks for watching, and we will talk to you soon. All right, later. Bye.